In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add another iPhone to Find My iPhone on here and how we can do it. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, if you wanted to add anyone, what you need to do first, you just need to go over here, tap on the Find My. Now from here, as you can see over here in the people, I have already added one of my friend. So if you wanted to add anyone, you can add it. So in order to do it, what you need to do is first just go over here, tap on the plus icon. Now from here, go to share my live location, and that's going to take you to this. And now over here, you have to type the particular person email ID or phone number. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to search for the respective contact, and I'm going to select the number, and the contact is done, and I'm going to share to them. So there are three options, whether you can share it for 1 hour, or whether you can share it for until end of a day, or indefinitely. So I'm going for indefinitely, and that will be shared over here, and just go for OK. And right now you can see the two persons can see my Find My over here, and this is how we can do it. And that's what it is. The opposite person will receive it, and if from there they can use it and they can check it, and that's what we have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.